So ayan, magandang umaga mga paps. So may request pala sa atin yung ibang viewers natin, no? Kung meron bang hiring dito sa loob ng Kuwait o local dito lang, dito sa Pilipinas. So good opportunity po sa inyo ito. May walk-in po ito, walk-in applicant. So may hiring po tayo. Monday, April 21, 9:30 AM to 5 PM, walk-in applicant po ito. So lalagay ko yung description dito sa screen. Tingnan nyo, pati sa comment section lalagay ko. Sa Abu Halipa ito, Block 2, Abu Halipa, Street 5, Gate 1. So April 21 ha. Don't miss this opportunity sa inyo. So yung hiring is administrative assistant, sales officers, human resources officers, marketing officers, graphic designers, help desk technician, procurement officer, drivers, messengers, storekeepers, developers, system administrator, accountant, receptionist, photographer, videographer, studio life officer, student advisor, business lecturer, IT lecturer, lab instructor, English instructor, math instructor, and computer instructor. Yan po lahat yung hiring dito. So kung meron kayo niyan na talent, don't miss out. Book in na kayo dun. April 21, Monday, 9 to 5 PM at Abu Halifa, Block 2, Street 5, Gate 1 po. Pabuska. Good luck sa inyo.